Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, you all know that we are dealing with the chapter Resources, Concepts and Classification of Resources. You know that resource is defined as any means of attaining given ends, the ends being the satisfaction of human needs and wants both individually and socially. A resource is a supply from which benefit is produced. It can be used for satisfying human needs, provided it is technologically accessible, economically flexible, and culturally acceptable. So, this is the simple definition of resources. Now, dear students, there are different kinds of these resources. Simply, we have resources which we use again and again. There are resources which we use again and again. These resources are known as renewable resources. The resources which we use again and again. This is one of the kind of resource, namely the renewable resource. The resources which we use again and again are renewable resources, and similarly the resources which we use once cannot be used again are known as non-renewable resources. Similarly, we have inexhaustible resources. The resources which can be renewed by reproduction or by physical, mechanical or chemical process. These resources are known as inexhaustible resources, like solar energy, air, water, wildlife and forests. Then we have biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are obtained from living things. These resources are reproduced under favorable conditions. These resources are formed in the biosphere, like forests, crops, animals, fishes, etc. are biotic resources. Then we have abiotic resources. These resources are obtained from non-living things. These resources can be reproduced. These resources are formed everywhere. Minerals, fossil fuels, etc. are abiotic these resources. तो सिंपली हम बच्चों ये समझ सकते हैं, ये कह सकते हैं कि रिसोर्स वो सारी चीज़ें हैं जिनसे हमारी समस्याएं, हमारे मामलात, जो हमारी विशेज़ हैं, हमारी नीड्स हैं, जिनको हम फुलफिल करते हैं. पानी का एक कतरा भी रिसोर्स है. पत्थर की एक छोटी सी टीकरी भी एक रिसोर्स है. हम जो अशरफुल मखलूक़ात इंसान हैं, हम दुनिया में एक बहुत बड़ा रिसोर्स है. इस तरह से हवा भी रिसोर्स है. जिन चीज़ों पर जो मैटर्स आप देखते हो, they all are considered as resources. This machinery, the technology, this is also a resource. So, dear students, now you are fully aware that resources are the things, resources are the produce, resources are the materials which are through which we satisfy our needs, through which we satisfy our ends, which are used for one way or the other, for the benefit of humanity, and for the biotic and abiotic, for livings as well as for non-livings. So this is the simple definition and simple meaning and kinds of these resources. Hope that you have now fully understood the definitions, kinds and the meaning of these sources. Thank you very much.